Hello, welcome. I'm Tom Copeland. I'm an attorney, trainer, author, and advocate for the business of family childcare. In this video, we're going to talk about when is the best time to start claiming Social Security benefits. What is Social Security? It's a federal program designed to provide financial support to workers when they retire. It provides support to workers also who might become disabled and to families when a breadwinner dies. Family childcare providers pay Social Security taxes on their profit each year that enables them to qualify for Social Security benefits. Social Security is important. It's the foundation of your retirement income. The average monthly benefit is around $1,400 a month, but that can vary a lot depending on how much income you make over the course of your life. Benefits may replace about 40% of your current income. So it's not going to replace all of your income. Deciding when to claim Social Security benefits is one of the biggest financial decisions that you'll make in your life. And that's why we want to talk about Social Security. Now, despite warnings, Social Security will be around when it's time for you to retire and start claiming benefits. When do you qualify for Social Security? Well, you must earn at least 40 credits before you qualify. You can earn up to 4 credits a year. Over 10 years, that's 40 credits. To earn 1 credit, you must have at least a $1,470 profit or $5,880 to get 4 credits in a year. Those are the numbers for 2021. In future years, these numbers will go up a little bit. Now, you don't have to earn these credits consecutively, and they can include work that you did before you became a family childcare provider. To see how many credits you currently have and whether or not you already qualify for Social Security, you need to go to the Social Security website. How are your Social Security benefits calculated? They're based on the highest 35 years of earnings over your lifetime. Now, you may also be entitled to spousal benefit. You could get a benefit based on your spouse's Social Security, or you might get benefits from a deceased spouse or a divorced spouse. So, this is not simple. This calculation can be complicated. Your situation can be a little bit different. So, to find out more details, you need to go to the Social Security website. Should you increase your profit to claim a higher Social Security benefit? In other words, not claim as many expenses as you're entitled to boost your profit to get more Social Security benefit. In general, I do not think that's a good idea. You can check out this by going to the Social Security website and look at their estimator to see the impact of claiming higher profit in the coming years, how much that would affect your Social Security benefit. Higher profit means you're going to pay more taxes each year now going forward. So I think when you run the numbers, I just don't think this is worthwhile doing. Instead, claim all the expenses you're entitled to and use those tax savings to invest in your own retirement, your own IRA, individual retirement account, rather than trying to manipulate a Social Security benefit. This is complicated. If you want to focus in on this more, you can talk to a tax professional or talk to the Social Security office about how your rise in income might benefit you. When can you start claiming Social Security benefits? You can as early as age 62. Your full retirement age is either 66 or 67, depending on when you were born. Now, the last year you can start claiming Social Security benefits is age 70. Can you work after claiming Social Security? Well, yes, you may be tempted to work and claim Social Security benefits before your full retirement age, 66 or 67. If you do so, and you earn less than about $19,000 for 2021, your benefit's going to be slightly reduced. Any amount that you earn after your full retirement age will not affect your Social Security benefit. So maybe you're 62 to 66 or 67, you're in there, you're still working, you're thinking, hey, I could use these Social Security benefits now because I do qualify for Social Security. Should you do it? Well, maybe, but you need to understand the potential impact of doing it. Now, the longer you wait to claim Social Security benefits, the higher your benefit will be. So, 62, you wait to 63, you're going to get more. 64, each year you wait, your benefit's going to go up. So there's an incentive to wait. Also, there's a significant incentive if you wait after your full retirement age, because for each year you wait after then, your benefit's going to go up by about 8% a year. That's a lot. So there's a huge incentive to wait for those last few years. If you can, big reward. Again, to estimate your benefits, to see how that's going to work for you, you can go to the Social Security website and look at their retirement estimator. You want to go to the Social Security website to look at your Social Security statement, and if you haven't already created an account, to create an account. So that's where you start. socialsecurity.gov, put in information, passwords. Now you'll see an annual Social Security statement for you. It will say, do you qualify now to get Social Security benefits? You already qualify. Do you have enough credits? Then it'll say how much you can expect to get at age 62, full retirement age, and age 70. So you can see how those numbers are going to go up for you. It will also show your lifetime earnings. For every year that you worked in your life, it'll show you how much you earned. And you want to make sure those numbers are correct, because if you see 0, no earnings in 2002, and you say, wait a minute, I was doing childcare or I was doing some other job, I did earn some money, why is that a 0? So if you see that, you want to get it fixed. You want to contact Social Security, because again, your benefits are based on your highest 35 years of earnings over your life. You want to make sure you're getting proper credit for the money that you earn. Now, once you've done that on Social Security, now you want to go to this website, opensocialsecurity.com. It's a private, free online calculator that will tell you the best time to claim Social Security to get the most benefits over the course of your lifetime. It's simple. You're just entering in your age, if you're married, spouse's age, how much you will get from Social Security at your full retirement age, according to your Social Security statement. And then it'll tell you right away the year and the month you and your spouse should claim Social Security to get the maximum amount. I got to tell you, this is an important thing to do. You may not want to claim Social Security benefits exactly when this calculator tells you to, but you need to know, get a sense of what the possibility is here. You may have your own reasons to claim Social Security benefits earlier than your full retirement age, or even earlier than age 70. Why? You have bad health. You have financial hardship. There's an emergency. So even though ideally you should wait till age 70 to claim Social Security in general, that may not be realistic for you. Okay, but you should understand the consequences of your decision. Now, there's another resource, what every woman should know, put out by the Social Security Administration, and I found that there's helpful information there. Family child care providers who are women tend to get less from Social Security than men. Why? Because in general, if you're working in family child care, in general, you're earning less than women who are not. And so that will have an impact over the course of your career, which means you need to pay close attention to get the maximum out of Social Security. And I think it also means you may need to pay a little more attention to savings on your own to help boost your retirement income. So that's what I wanted to say. Before claiming Social Security benefits, at least a couple years before you were thinking that you might claim Social Security benefits, boy, I think it's important to find out what the consequence would be of your decision. That means going to the Social Security website, checking out your account, your annual statement, how much you can expect to get, looking at this Open Social Security website to see when it's the best time to claim it. Talk to a financial planner, talk to Social Security directly. Don't just rely on what you see on a website. Check it out. I think this will be well worth your while. Many people don't understand this, and although this is a very simple explanation, I hope it gives you the idea that there's more you need to know before you make this decision. I've written a book, Family Child Care, Money Management and Retirement Guide, which has a bunch of information about Social Security and other, I think, helpful tools to help you think about saving money and, in particular, planning ahead for retirement. If you have questions after this video, I'm happy to try to answer them. I don't charge anything for answering questions. Your question might be answered on my website, tomcopelandblog.com, where I've got a lot of information on managing money and retirement. Good luck. You can do this. I'm not your tax advisor. I'm not providing you with legal advice. If you need professional assistance, financial planning assistance, talk to a professional. This video was funded by the Child Care Communications Management Center, which is funded by the Office of Child Care, Administration for Children and Families, U.S. Department of Health and Human Services, and was developed in partnership with the National Center on Early Childhood Quality Assurance, which is funded by OCC, the Office of Head Start, AFC, and HHS. You can duplicate, share this video with whoever you want for non-commercial purposes without any permission. So thanks very much for listening.